It is possible to add the date, and the closest available date will be automatically selected. You can change the radar flood detection parameters. The files are available for download. In just a few seconds, the uBTM analysis results are loaded, along with the footprints and the number of affected buildings, categorized by building height. Now, let's look for another heavily impacted region, Alcácer do Sal. Clear the previous area of interest and click Redraw. Draw the polygon area and remember to close it at the final vertex. Once finished, click Process Analysis again, noting that the flood elevation is automatically calculated and adjusted. The download files for this new area are ready to be transferred. If the results do not match reality, or if you have locally measured flood elevation data, you can add it manually and run only the uBTM simulation. Notice that the flooded area has changed significantly and that more buildings have been affected. Thank you very much, everyone.